Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off background data in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down, locate and click on connections. Scroll down, click on data usage. Then scroll down to where you see mobile data usage. If you have a dual SIM, then you should see mobile data usage on the SIM you turned on. So click on mobile data usage and then hang on. Then it should say the total number of data you've used so far. On the mobile data usage page, scroll down, locate the application that uses most of your data. To turn it off in the background, open it. Then locate allow background data usage and then disable this. Once disable that, then scroll down again to any other application you want to turn off in the background section of your Samsung phone. And then turn off allow background data usage. So you want to repeat this on all the applications you have there to disable or turn off background data usage on your Samsung. So that's exactly how to turn off background data in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.